What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And today we're making lemon honey garlic chicken drumsticks in the kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any of the uploads. And for all I'm returning goodie and I don't know semi loving up and ready for cook, come on, let's cook. Okay, goodies, let's cook. Now we have our chicken drumsticks here that has been washed nice and clean with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. All right. Now we are going to season this baby up, and this is what we're going to need. First, you're going to add some salt to your container. And then we are going to add some black pepper to it. Up next, we are going in with our garlic powder here, and then you want to add your onion powder. To that, we are going to add some lemon pepper seasoning. To the lemon pepper seasoning, we are adding some all-purpose seasoning. Then we're adding some ground cinnamon powder. And then we're adding some ground ginger here as well. To that, we're going to add some brown sugar. I'm using cane, and then we're adding some paprika to the mix. Then you're going to add some red crushed peppers here. Some cayenne pepper. Then you want to go in with your honey, and you can always be generous as far as your honey is concerned. And if you don't want to add honey, you could add maple syrup to the mix. I've used maple syrup many times and it comes out amazing just as well. Now you want to go in with a little bit of soy sauce here, you guys. It's going to give it a nice little twist and taste. Then you're going to add some garlic. I'm using crushed garlic here. And some avocado oil. And you could always substitute that out for whatever it is that you have in your kitchen. It's going to work just fine. Now you know that I love vinegar in whatever I'm cooking, so I'm adding some apple cider here. Now all you have to do is give it a nice little mix here. Make sure that everything is nicely combined, and that is it. Now you could always add any other seasonings of your choice, and just know that you could always substitute the seasonings that I use here for my recipe, okay? Make it your own. Now all you have to do is very simple. Just go ahead and pour in your mixture on your chicken, and then I'm going to allow this to sit and marinate for, I'll say, maybe about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is pretty good. It don't have to be any longer than that. You could even, but if you want, you could put it in your refrigerator overnight. It's going to be amazing if you do that. But for me, honey, 30 minutes works just fine, okay? Now, just also be sure that you have your oven preheated. You want to put these drumsticks in the oven when it is preheated. Now, you're going to go ahead and have it at 375 degrees, you guys, okay? Just be sure that you preheat your oven, basically, all right? Now, if you guys are still here watching me cooking and you have not subscribed to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe if you have not. And turn on your post notifications so you'll know exactly when I upload a video, right? You know, when YouTube see that you give the videos a thumbs up, they will push the videos out into a much wider audience. The channel will grow, the video will grow, all right? Very simple, right? Support your girl. Now, that is what your chicken looks like. It smells amazing. Just let it sit and chill like I did. I gave it 30 minutes. 30 minutes I came back. It's all soaked in. Perfect. Just like so. Now I'm going to get my container, my baking container, and I'm just going to go ahead and just put my drumsticks in the container. And again, you guys, be sure that you have your oven preheated. Do not place these drumsticks in the oven, you guys, if it is not preheated, because it's going to have your chicken texture on a different crazy level. So just be sure that you have your oven turned on when you put it in there, right? On period. And you don't have to have it in any nice particular order. I'm just feeling like doing this because, you know me already. But just go ahead and put your chicken in that container there and put it in the oven and make it bake up. Don't waste your gravy, you guys, because it's going to give it another little buzz here. So just pour all of that on there. We're not wasting anything. Now, once you put this in the oven, you want to put it in uncovered. Do not cover your drumsticks. I did add a little bit more parsley on there. Okay, just a little bit before I put it in the oven. But just be sure that you put it in the oven uncovered only. And that is what it looks like at a closer glance. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Alright, so this thing is going to take about, say 30 minutes to bake. After 30 minutes, the first go, that is what it looks like in 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Now, what you want to do is get that good sauce there and just put it all over your chicken drumsticks. And you want to kind of turn them on the opposite side and put it back in the oven. And you're going to allow it to bake for an additional, I'll say 15 to 20 minutes at the most. And you're going to have perfect tasting drumsticks here, you guys. Believe me when I tell you. Perfect. Just be sure that you're using up that good sauce, alright? And it's perfect for some rice and some potatoes and stuff. Yes, goodie. Nice. Okay? Just be sure you're following all these steps. Don't skip any of these steps if you want to have a fabulous tasting foods. Now, that is what it looks like once again when we are done, you guys. Perfect. Just be sure that you baste it up really, really good. Once you take it out of the oven, again, at that 15 or 20 additional minutes, let's just say it's going to take at least 45 minutes of baking time, okay? Do not cook these things under 45 minutes. 45 minutes, you are good to go. Now, I did add a little bit of lemon juice, you guys, on there, but that is totally optional. You don't have to put the lemon juice if you don't want to put it on, but I did go in and add a little bit of lemon juice to it. All right, goodie. So this is the end of the video. This is it, you guys. I do hope that you did enjoy this one thus far. And again, please do not hesitate to give some love or show some love on this video. I did have some more parsley, because parsley makes everything better, dried or fresh. But you can serve this up with just about whatever you like. Rice and peas, potatoes, spaghettis, whatever it is that you like, it is going to be amazing, okay? Just be sure that you spreading this good love with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell them what's going on over here. Bring them come goodie and send them come, because what? I'm waiting. And when you get done doing all of that, tell me what you would like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.